I'm Mohamed Mabrouk. I'm a consulting gynecologist in Cambridge University hospitals. I'm also an adjunct professor of gynecology in the Southern University of Denmark. And I'm the president of the Middle East Society of Gynecological Endoscopy. Obviously, with the number and the increase in the load of service and the number of patients that you have to provide care for, unfortunately, the time dedicated, let's say, for training is usually less and less. So the virtual reality simulation or the box training or the traditional systems, let's say, for training should have the trainer and the trainee on site during training. What I like most in the Lab Innovus is that it's a sort of remote or digital training, if we can call it like this, because it provides training and tutoring while the trainee can be in his free time at home, for example, or we shouldn't be both of us at the same time on a box trainer or on a simulator exactly at the same time, which is sometimes difficult in reality.